Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to design an activewear set, a jacket and shorts, using Procreate. You can grab these mockups and many others on FUPstudio.com. First, I open my canvas at 3000 by 3000 pixels and insert the mockup. I duplicate the layer and set the top one to multiply. This way I always keep the outlines and shadows visible. Then I fill the jacket with a base color. Here I'm using brown. If the fill leaks, just swipe left or right without lifting your pencil. After that, I switch to the calligraphy section in brushes, pick the monoline brush, and draw clean lines to divide the jacket into separate panels. On the new layer, I set clipping mask and start coloring each block. For details, I use a laser tool with a rectangle option. Fill it with gray to create zipper parts. And repeat the same for the drawstrings. Next, I add a logo from photos. Alpha lock it and recolor it to match the set. And the outfit is done. That's a simple way to create activewear in Procreate. If you want to try it yourself, check out the mockups at FUPstudio.com. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.